Tax Time Checklist. It's myOrganized.life live, February 3rd, 2020. Well, hey, hello, welcome to myOrganized.life live. I'm John Hunt, but Leanne, gone today, gone for actually a couple days. For those of you who saw our show last Friday, she is out actually at our location in Logan, Ohio, for a big communications summit out there, and she'll be back in a couple days. But I have to go solo today, and what we're going to talk about is tax time ideas for you. And today we're going to talk simply about a tax time checklist. And we had a podcast, back in season number 2 with Louise Kurzika, talking about some ideas on how to get ready and get organized for getting your taxes done. And let's listen to what Louise suggests here.
And you hit the nail on the head, because this is exactly what I hear from my clients when it comes to this time of year. Because it isn't just all coming in a short period of time. It's actually all year long. Right. You have things. So it's really a tool or an issue that we have to address with tools all through the year. We can't just sort of wait until January and hope for the best there.
Well, how do we get started, Louise? What's the best way to get our hands around this monster?
Well, I think the first thing is you got to make a checklist of what is it that you need.
Right.
Because if you have a checklist, it's going to be much easier to know what have I got, what haven't I got, and to get it contained in a safe and secure location while you're gathering things.
Well, where can somebody get a checklist?
Oh, I'm so glad you asked that question,
John.
Yes. Well, you know what a fan I am of the checklist under Smead Ergonomics at the Smead.com website.
Yes.
And lo and behold.
You guys happen to have the tax time checklist with you?
It's not just a 1-page because it's taxes. No. It's a 2-page.
So anytime we're dealing with the government, we got to have lots of paper. So yeah.
But this is great because, again, you don't have to reinvent the wheel.
Yeah.
Even if your accountant sends you a tax organizer to fill out, this is a fast study and a quick way. And I've put it into one of these Poly Project jackets that Smead makes, which are really nice because they're secure really on 3 sides when you use the flap. Because as I gather items, I can take my dry erase marker, and next to the little notation item, I can fill in the little circle as I get things. So it's really clear to me when I look at this, what am I missing? What have I already retained and received? And I could even, if I wanted to, note if these are in more than one location, where the location is. But ideally, we're going to keep them as we gather them all in one place.
All right, well, there you have it. It's the tax time checklist. And you can find that over at smead.com/checklists. All our checklists, they're over there at smead.com. And you can simply click on it and download it, print it out. And it'll give you some great ideas on how to get started organizing for your taxes. And like Louise said, getting organized for taxes really is a year-long process if you get ahead of it now. So maybe you get the checklist for last year, get caught up on that, but start using it for next year's taxes as well. Well, I'll be back tomorrow for another, I think we'll do some more tax tips tomorrow as well. So check us out here. We're here at 2 p.m. Central, 3 Eastern, noon Pacific, myOrganized.life live. Get organized now at myOrganized.life. Need to turn those piles into files? We've got you covered. Hundreds of organizing products in a dazzling array of colors and sizes. There's an organizing solution for you. Shop online and they're delivered right to your office. Get organized now. Go to myOrganized.life. That's myOrganized.life. Get organized now at myOrganized.life.